Everything you need to know about your property, purchase receipts, design sketches, and business cards, is likely scattered in junk drawers and old binders. The solution?
It's a new technical category that functions as a living, interactive digital property manual. But it looks nothing like an old binder. It is an accurate digital replica of a real home, office, or commercial space.
Imagine walking inside a digital version of your own home, sharing precise measurements with contractors, submitting an insurance claim with the click of a button, planning renovations with friends and family, keeping layouts, finishes, documents, and service records in one place. And when it matters most, making critical property information available to the people who need it.
The Spatial Design Engine is a single interactive environment that connects visual shopping, decoration, and renovations, and features maintenance and safety reminders. And because it engages consumers routinely over time, the information stays current and useful throughout the life cycle of the property.
Our streamlined 5-step process publishes real estate listings quickly, often the same day. This dramatically reduces time to market. Agents can deliver immersive, highly engaging listing presentations for a fraction of what they currently pay, while staying in full control of the presentation. Buyers can walk inside properties digitally, experiment with design options, and make the property their own before booking a showing.
But this is not prop tech. It is a communication layer for every industry connected to property: real estate, furniture, design, renovation, insurance, finance, maintenance, and safety. Information is easily accessed by authorized vendors and service providers and always up to date.
Customers place furniture, explore layouts, scroll through exclusive online catalogs, fill a shopping cart, all in the context of their own living space. When they return to the store 3 years later to shop for a dining room, their own digital replica is waiting for them. 2 years after that, they receive an email with a new sectional placed inside the walkable copy of their own living room. This is how we make customers for life.
Designers are going to love this. Ideas come to life instantly. Collaboration, revisions, and approvals are easier, whether in person or by video conference.
Insurance brokers and mortgage lenders access visual and structured property records. The Digital Property Manual supports funding applications, maintenance schedules, damage claims, and service histories.
And in critical moments, the value becomes even more important. Imagine emergency responders accessing a digital pre-plan of your property while en route to an emergency.
Customers expect businesses to digitize their products and services, but the reality is this: doing so requires substantial investment, and until now, the value has been short-lived. Digital solutions add more tools and more complexity, but fail to engage users in the long term.
If you are building, selling, designing, furnishing, insuring, financing, servicing, or investing in property, you belong inside this ecosystem. Join us in defining the next category in property technology.